Welcome back to K5 and there's the ocean right there, and I don't know what this place is, but all the way over there is some kind of place, and we're about to head there.
Where are we?
I don't know yet.
Should I go take a over there? Yeah. Oh, he's sleeping or he's resting. That is down here. Wow, you see the people in the water? Look at the sea lion.
Oh, but why are they called sea lions?
Because they're the lion of the sea.
Mom.
Come on, Bug. You want me to tell you where we're at?
But yeah, where?
Can you read it?
Get us.
Monterey.
Monterey.
What does it say?
Monterey Bay Aquarium.
Aquarium.
Oh, so we're at Monterey Aquarium.
Aquarium. Yeah, you know what that means?
What?
You get to touch some sea animals.
Oh my god.
Are you excited? It's like a museum for sea creatures. Are you ready?
Yeah.
Say, come on, guys.
Guys, me and my mom are gonna be the maps and
Tour guide.
And a tour guide.
Look at the orca. Ah, I love orcas. You too? Me too. Yeah. I got the map. I got the map. All right, let's take a break. Come on, Nano.
Look. No, it's empty.
Oh, I love that. Where'd he go? Nano, did you see the otter?
No.
He's on top. Nano, okay. Look at those ones, Eddie. They're making little circles.
Oh, the big fish.
Okay, ready? Tell me about this place. Go.
It's really fun.
Okay, we can't get lost, okay? You gotta hold my hand. I love jellyfish. Let's go see the jellyfish. Go, Nana. Hold my hand, Nana. I don't want to get lost.
Careful, okay? Hold on, you want to see? Ben, you want to come here? You move so he can kind of see too.
Where's the seat?
We're gonna stick
Yeah, these are all good. All this is all good.
Can you help us with that?
You sure?
Yes.
You would do so many. Wait.
Oh, there's the shark.
Oh.
Bugs, look, the shark.
It's short.
Over there.
This one wants a picture. Wants a picture. That does not belong.
No, this one in front of you.
Oh.
Look at that one. He's trying to square up.
Oh my god.
No, he don't like you. No, Michael. No, do it again. Go, try. I'm not doing it. Close it. Cierra. Say, peekaboo.
Do I just put my hand in the water?
I'll put it on for you, but you have to keep your hand underwater, okay?
Like that?
Yep. And you have to leave it there till it walks off on its own. There.
Oh, he's so cute. Does he have a name? Hi guys. So we're just like in this glass room right here. Nothing crazy. You look at the rocks and oh, what's that? I guess the windows are very clean. Look at the ocean every rock.
Wow.
Look at the fishy. Look over here too. There's some stuff.
Scream!
That's it.
Fast, Eddie. Fast, Eddie.
This one, he wants to be touched. He's like, ow, ow, ow. Oh, he was hungry. See?
Eddie, no.
Okay, phone. Okay. You can't reach. Okay, I'm sorry. We can't reach. This is
Did you have fun?
Yep. A lot of
This
fun.
place is awesome, huh?
Uh-huh. Yes. And probably let's go here.
We'll be back.
again.
Okay. So, peace out, YouTube. Ah, thank you.
So guys, we're gonna go at the fruit stand. Come on guys, let's see what they have.
Dang, baby, you want a watermelon? A watermelon?
Watermelon.
Nana, how do you say watermelon in Spanish?
Watermelon.
No, it's a sandia. Well, I want to get it.
What, can we get it?
Maybe, bug. Okay, your dad said we're gonna get one of these because they're $10.99.
Okay, I want the longest one.
Okay, find one, Nano. You have to knock on it.
seeded? These are seeded, so which one? Well, you need to go pay for it. But you need to. I always just take it. I don't really want to.
You have to give her the ticket.
I found the one this one.
These are seedless. Seedless ones?
You want a seedless?
No, I want these ones.
Yeah, those have seeds in them, buddy.
Okay, fine. Let's get these seeds.
Okay, hold on, no, wait. Okay,
One of them hold down.
we got our stuff.
I want the biggest one.
Okay, no, let your dad carry it though. Put that one back.
Dad, take this one. This is the biggest one.
Spank it, babe.
Oh, that one's good.
You want this one?
Yeah, that one's awesome. That's the biggest one.
Show me my watermelon. How much is it? I mean, how much? How much does it weigh?
I don't know. Come on.
Let's go.
What's up,
Okay, come on. Bud. Strawberries.
Some strawberries. Those are the babies, and these are mine.
Let me see. Smile. Good job. Beautiful carrito. So pretty.
You guys don't want water, right?
No.
You want water?
No.
So I'm gonna empty it out.
Okay.
Check out at the beach.
I'm gonna start walking back, okay?
Okay. Yeah.
I'm not gonna let the water touch.
Okay, go.
Here comes a good one. Say hi to the camera. Say hi. Dude, you gotta watch this thing.
I got it, I got it.
Lifeguard's there, but
Nano, put your hands in the air like, yeah. We got a hotel room. We're gonna spend the night. Yeah.
yeah, okay, let's go.
Come on, let's go see.
Wait,
You wanna go explore the hotel?
wait, what?
Yeah.
Where we actually going to hotel?
You got my keys? You just locked it.
No? No. What? We got a hotel room. Are you excited?
Wait, is this the other surprise?
Yeah.
But
Isn't this cool?
why?
Look at the hotel. It looks like apartments.
But why are we going to spend the night? Mom,
Because you said you want to come back tomorrow.
are you serious?
Mom,
Yeah.
All right, now.
come back. 3, 2, 1. Room tour. Show me now. Show me the little room tour. Right, babe? 5 minutes away from the Monterey Bay Aquarium. It's giving a little cutesy moment. Everybody wants to see the bathroom, we know. Just regular, nothing special. Yay! Nana, you even got your own bed. Isn't that awesome? Are you excited?